Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Chrome and focusing on the page area you want to inspect. Right-click the exact element and choose Inspect. This jumps you directly to the Elements panel. Alternatively, press Ctrl+Shift+I on Windows or CMD+Option+I on Mac to open DevTools. Once it appears, make sure the panel is docked where you can see both the page and the DOM, right, bottom, or undocked, so you can interact with HTML and CSS simultaneously without losing. Now that DevTools is open, you navigate the DOM tree on the left and the Styles pane on the right. Click Elements to reveal their attributes. Double-click to edit HTML inline and press Enter to confirm changes. In Styles, toggle rules, add new declarations, or uncheck properties to test visual effects. Once done, check the Computed tab to see final values and the box model for margin, border, padding, and size. This helps you understand why layout behaves the way it does. Finish by using advanced panels. Toggle device toolbar to emulate screen sizes and touch, open console to catch JavaScript errors, and check network for slow or blocked resources. Make live edits, then copy styles or element as HTML to reuse. If an element disappears when you move the mouse, use Ctrl+Shift+C to pick elements without losing focus, or right-click the Reload button and choose Empty Cache and Hard Reload to fix caching issues. If needed, refresh and reinspect to confirm your fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.